Hi, kitty. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Look at you. You're so cute. Look at your cute little body. Look at my big 2-month-old. Look at my big 2-month-old. You're such a cute girl. You're such a cute girl. Look at how smiley you are. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet baby. Oh, you're so happy in the morning. You gonna talk to me? Are you? Look at your cute little legs. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Hi. Hi, big girl. Hi, baby. Oh, that's such a big stretch. We just cut out of our swaddle wrap, so she's free and she likes stretching her arms. Are you free, baby girl? Hi. Hi. You're such a cute girl. Hi, baby. Hi, Lana. Hi. Oh, what do you want to say? Really? Oh my, look at you. What a happy girl. What a happy girl. Hi. Oh, we got the hiccups. We got the hiccups. Oh, look at those little legs go. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hmm?
Hi, Lana. How's my little girl?
You gonna talk to Daddy?
How's my little girl?
Oh, what do you want to say?
What did I say?
Alright, sweet pea. Let's change your diaper and get you dressed for the day. Hmm? You ready to run out of here, huh? Where you going?
Look at her arms moving.
Where you going? Where you going, Pumpkin? Huh?
Do you want your diaper changed?
Let's change your diaper. You love that, don't you? Alright. My big girl. Love you, Lana.